Welcome back, everyone. Get ready for a fun brain workout. These math puzzles are quick but tricky. Think fast and answer before I do. Let's start the challenge. What is 36 plus 14? The answer is 50. Great job! Next up, let's try this one. What is 94 minus 46? The answer is 48. Well done! Here comes a multiplication. What is 8 times 5? The answer is 40. Keep it up. Let's try division now. What is 81 divided by 9? The answer is 9. Excellent! Try this addition. What is 52 plus 18? The answer is 70. Amazing! Back to subtraction. What is 100 minus 27? The answer is 73. Nice work! Multiplication time. What is 7 times 8? The answer is 56. Fantastic! Here's a division question. What is 132 divided by 11? The answer is 12. Well done! Let's add again. What is 43 plus 27? The answer is 70. Great going! Time for subtraction. What is 88 minus 30? The answer is 58. Excellent! Try this multiplication. What is 9 times 4? The answer is 36. Keep it up. Here's a quick division. What is 144 divided by 8? The answer is 18. Perfect! Let's add some numbers. What is 58 plus 22? The answer is 80. Amazing! Back to subtraction. What is 90 minus 42? The answer is 48. Well done! Multiplication again. What is 6 times 6? The answer is 36. Excellent. Here's a division question. What is 200 divided by 10? The answer is 20. Great job. Let's add again. What is 24 plus 26? The answer is 50. Fantastic. Time for subtraction. What is 75 minus 27? The answer is 48. Keep going. Final multiplication. What is 11 times 8? The answer is 88. Excellent. And last one. What is 180 divided by 15? The answer is 12. Amazing finish. Wow, that was so much fun, right? How many did you guess correctly? Comment below and share your score. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more exciting challenges, and check out the next video for even more food fun. Can't wait to see you there.